I don't care. Yes, this is yet another very commonly used phrase in our daily life, be it with our friends, office, workplace, colleagues, anyone. I don't care. I really don't care, right? This is a very commonly used phrase. So, well, are we going to repeat it time and again? Don't you think we should learn the alternative ways of presenting that you really don't care? Well, yes, we should, which is why in this video, we're going to learn about saying I don't care, but in different ways. Well, you all are most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let us go ahead and see what are the different ways in which you can say I don't care. Okay, well, I couldn't care less is a very kind of another very good replacement for I don't care. I couldn't care less also means that I don't care. I mean, I couldn't care less for this thing, right? It only means that you don't care about whatever probably the discussion is going on. So let's look at an example. So I couldn't care less if she doesn't come. So it doesn't matter to me whether she comes or not, right? Or I couldn't care less what she said, right? Or I couldn't care less about the results. So here again, I couldn't care less only means that it doesn't matter to you whatever the context is, right? It doesn't matter to you whatever is being discussed about. So I couldn't care less is going to be yet another important replacement of I don't care. Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, so it doesn't matter to me, right? It doesn't matter to me is yet another way of saying that, oh, I don't care. Or do you want pancakes or waffles? It doesn't matter to me, you decide. So you don't care, you know, whatever comes your way, you're gonna eat it, right? So you don't care. Or where do you want to go? So it doesn't matter to me, you pick. So it doesn't matter to me is next another important and interesting replacement of I don't care. Okay, so what? So what, dude? You just cleared the exam. So what? Even if you happen to get that award. So what? So what is again another way of saying that it really doesn't, it doesn't affect you at all. You are completely unfazed, untouched and nonchalant by whatever is being discussed. So I won the game. So let us say someone told you, I won the game. So what? I don't care. Or she got a promotion. So what? So what is again a very direct, a very curt way of putting forward, I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, I don't give a crap. Well, a very informal way of presenting, it doesn't matter to me. I don't care, right? So I don't give a crap what she said, or I don't give a crap about him. So I don't give a crap about the situation. So again, you are sort of presenting that it just doesn't matter to you, even if, you know, whatever the other person is saying or doing or what is happening, it's regardless. It doesn't affect you at all and it doesn't matter to you at all. Okay, I don't give a damn. So again, I don't give a damn is yet another informal, sort of informal way of saying that you don't care, it doesn't matter to you, right? So I don't give a damn. So are you following the election? Well, I don't give a damn about the election. I don't give a damn about the results. So you're just trying to present that you are completely not concerned, or it doesn't matter to you whatever happens. You are completely non-touched by it. So well, these are different ways, or these are different interesting replacements. Well, of course, based on the situation that you are in, whether informal or an informal, definitely you need to choose. In a very formal situation, you cannot use phrases like I don't give a damn or I don't give a crap. You could probably replace them with I don't care, it doesn't matter to me. You know, you could probably not use these sort of phrases in a formal situation. Well, if you're in an informal situation, it is completely okay. It is completely normal. It is fun to hear, rather, to use phrases like I don't give a crap or I don't give a damn about it, right? So, Well, these are few interesting replacements of I don't care in your daily language. Keep learning with tutorials point and keep using these different phrases in order to upskill your day-to-day language. I'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials point and Tutorix. Have a good day.